Hi guys, it's day 5 of our stay here in Korea, and today we are going, well, today we're not having any class and seminar and workshop. We are going to the village. Aja. So we're going to a Korean village, like a traditional village, should I say, and we're going to try some Korean costumes. So we're going to wear Korean costumes, and they told us that we are given 2 hours to roam around, to go around the village, so wearing the national costume, the traditional costume of Korea. So basically it's a free day today, and we are waiting for the bus. By the way, our hotel is there. Where is it? Here, that's our hotel. There. So the bus is not yet here. So they said the bus will be arriving around 10 in the morning. It's 9:36. So we'll just need to wait. Some of our colleagues are there. They are actually here. They're actually taking some videos, pictures, so for souvenir, for remembrance. So we'll wait till the bus comes and we'll go to the village. Alright, so we just arrived here after almost 2 hours travel. There's actually a lot of students in this place. Nó lẹ.
ใส่เป็นปะเป็นดอกไม้ไงเอาผู้ใหญ่ใส่ดอกไม้ถ้าดอกไม้เป็นบ้าพอเด็กๆถ้าดอกไม้เราน่ารักเลย
here in a shop where everyone is wearing the traditional Korean costume. So here's my costume. So you can see there's a lot. So everyone is trying. Okay, it's my turn. Alright, so we're done wearing our costume. The girls are still waiting for their makeup up there. And this is how I look. So costume done. So this is how I look right now. So there's a lot of foreigners actually here. They're like from, I mean, a lot of foreigners, but I think they're speaking Korean already. So I'm not sure if they are like students, exchange students or something, like they were working here, but some of them are actually speaking in Korean. So I think they might be here for a long time already.
ที่เราจะเอาไปให้เด็กดูใช่ป่ะว่าเรามาทำอะไรใช่ไหมใช่ Squid.
Korea, and we are here in a Japanese restaurant. It's actually the one that we tried last time. So, but this one is kind of different because it's like the mukata version in Thailand. So this is solve yourself type, almost the same with mukata. So let's eat. So one of our Korean staff here is showing us how to make the sam. Okay, so you have to put some rice and those leaves and eat it as a whole. Look at that one. Oh Moon, you can do it, Moon. Wow. Alright. So that is how you eat sam. Sam.
Thailand called Daiwo. You know Daiwo?
So this is the aftermath of our group. It's really a disaster, and it's so delicious.